John was a clerk at a small pharmacy, but he was not much of a salesman. He could never find the item the customer wanted. Peter, the owner, had about enough, and warned John that the next sale he missed would be his last. Just then, a man came in coughing and asked John for the best cough syrup. Try as he might, John couldn't find the cough syrup. Remembering Peter's warning, John sold the man a box of laxatives and told him to take them all at once. The customer did as John suggested and then walked outside and leaned against a post. Peter had seen all this occur and came over to ask John what had happened. He wanted something for his cough, but I couldn't find the cough syrup, so I substituted it for laxatives and told him to take them all at once, John said. Peter was shocked. Laxatives won't cure a cough, he shouted angrily. Sure, they will, said John, pointing at the man leaning on the post. Look at him. He's afraid to cough. If you laughed, please like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.